Crude oil, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, we don't have any information based on daily chart. We are not sure how long we will be within this move. In this case, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can trade it, whether we have any trade set up or not. Okay, based on forward chart, if we put our trend line here and we put the another one at the top, the only thing is how long we will be within this trend line, whether the price will continue to move uh, within this two line. If yes, how long we will be there? Or can we expect, for example, if we have this correction, if we get the buy, can we expect the price break this top, this line, this trend line, and continue? Okay, this is what we can, but we are not sure which one will happen, whether we will be within this two line or whether we call it channel or anything else, how long we will be within this move, or whether the price will break and continue, we are not sure. Okay, anyway, we want to see how we can trade it. Okay, now the thing is, from what I have here, based on lower time frame, we want to see whether we can get any buy setup or not. Okay, what we have here, we have a correction, and now the thing is, we want whether if the price drop one more, I want to see how we can trade within this. From this correction, whether we can get the buy setup within this range or not. Okay, that's mean if we get any buy setup, we take it. I know the question is whether the price can come near to this line, the trend line, from there can drop, because we see one of the option is that maybe we will be within this move, and how long we will be within this move, we are not sure. That's why I say if we get any buy setup from this correction, if we get any buy setup, the first option is when the price come here, we need to start to manage it. Okay, because the possibility that price can drop. Okay, the another option is that, as I say, even there is a possibility we get the buy setup in the price and break this trend line and continue. Okay, at that times, uh, if I remove everything, at that times, then we will have a different correction. We need to look into this correction, or whether we call it channel or anything else, we need to look into it differently. Okay, I don't need to explain much about this. What I can say is that we are looking for buy, and if we get any buy setup, as long as the price come within to this trend line, we need to start to manage, because we need to know the first option is the possibility the price can reverse. The another one is break and continue. That's why as long as we get any buy setup within this range, and as long as the price come to this trend line, we need to start to manage it. Do we have any buy setup right now? We don't have it. Okay, we don't have any buy setup. We prefer if the price drops some more, then from there we look for buy. Okay, and do we need to look for sell? I don't think from this correction we can expect the price to drop. We should expect for the sell setup, but the possibility the price can drop is still there. But I don't think from here, from this correction, we can get the sell setup. The only way we can trade for sell, if the price sharply, whether from here or here, sharply drop, break this low, give a small flag, then we need to see whether we need to look for sell or not. Okay, the best things is if we want to look for sell, the price break this high, then from there we look. If we get the sell setup, from there we look for sell. But from what we have right now, we are more interested in the buy. The only thing is if we get the buy, let the price drop. If we get the buy within this range, as long as the price comes to near to this trend line, we need to start to manage, because of the reverse, because we are not sure whether we can reverse or continue move higher. Anyway, we don't have any more information. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.